Welcome back to another video, guys. And ZenZen, welcome back to my vlog channel. So today we're going over the farm, but the road is so wet. You can see it's just a little dirt road, and it's so muddy and slippery, very slippery. I don't even have road now to go over the farm because of the rain. And let me show you what happened. 2 days of rain. Look here, guys. Gungo up on the gungo tree. Can you believe? Yeah, so from hearing the surrounding environment, you would have recognized that it's in the morning. You can hear the birds chirping, some of them singing, and you just can see it's cool. It's the morning. But guess what, guys? Look at the time. Time needs weeding out again. 2 days of rain, you know? Literally 2 days of rain. But guess what? The times are fulling out. And they look so fluffy and nice. And so we're going to clean it out. We're going to be doing some cleaning out this morning. Have the time. And I'm going to show you what happened with the melons, because the rain completely mashed up the melon, devastate the melon. Well, I'm not worried because I can plant something else. As I tell you, I was focused on the time because I want to do mostly time in this area. So I'm going to just keep expanding on the time. But I'm going to put a little bit of everything, you know, a little this and a little that for my home purpose. Let me show you the cucumbers that I had planted. You saw me planting? When everybody else says, Shan, you have your big machete. Alright, me have my big machete this morning too, you know. And we have cucumber here that I'm going to show you guys. So you can see that the rain really helped the cucumber. And I'm going to give it some of my argo fertilizer. One thing about when it rains, the bush them not hard to come up. They're easy to weed up, you know, because the dirt is soft. That's one of the things about when it rains that I like. I like weeding those times. So guys, this is cucumber that we planted just a couple weeks ago. Not too long ago. I'm weeding around the cucumber. I'm gonna put down the phone. I'm gonna set it up where you guys can see me. Should it be there? Cleaning around the cucumber. So guys, I'm taking both the thyme and the cucumber out of bush. Just doing what we can this morning. I'll be doing one section and I'm doing one section. And that's how we're gonna do it. This is actually a medicine. I don't know if you guys know this medicine. Some people call it redhead. It's good for asthma and also cold. But we have a lot of them in here, so this one I'm going to move it because it's right at the thyme root. But we have a lot more inside here. Some of them can stay, but some of them we have to remove. I like talk when me are working, guys. So hope I'm not boring you guys. But I don't like to talk when I'm working. So I'm doing one section. Hubby will be doing the other section. Hey guys! So we're on the farm again, and you can tell by the smile on my face, because you know, I'm happiest when I'm on the farm. Yes. And it's bushy, pure bush. But I started cleaning out, as you can see. I was cleaning out my cucumber and some of the thyme, right? Just trying to get out the water grass, really. But the time them I get big, guys. And thyme is like $1,300 per pound. Can you believe it? Out of the ground. So I don't know how much they're selling it in the market. So imagine $1,300 per pound for thyme now. And my thyme not ready yet. Oh my God, I just pray that when it's ready, the time, I will still get a good price for it. But I'm never lucky to get the good price them, you know. I always I get the little price them. And look guys, one sorrel, two sorrel. We have little sorrel that we have ready up. I tell you, I didn't plant a large amount of sorrel this year. I only planted sorrel for my home use. So we go from now we're going to make sorrel juice, sorrel cake and sorrel jam. Over here so in bushes. And you can see, yep, I need some air because I left a few gungo trees for myself from last year. But we have, this sorrel tree is diseased. So the sorrel them just come up and are rotten. But these ones are not diseased. So we have some nice sorrel coming up. Let me see if we can zoom in on the sorrel. Alright, see I zoom in on it. So we're gonna have sorrel for ourselves for Christmas, not for sale. But I'm really looking into the sorrel market, you know, because I got some motivation the other day, and I'm going to I'm going to take some classes, and I'm going to learn how to do the sorrel thing seriously. I'm going to take it up seriously and learn how to do how to dry it properly, packaging and everything, get my own brand labels, and I'm going to find out, get some connection in the international market to do shipments abroad. I'm going to do sorrel jam too and sorrel juice. So I'm going to be taking some classes with Rada. Guys, seriously, like I can't believe. So just the other, 2 days, this happened to the time. Pure grass. But what I'm happy about is that the time them, my God, them fluffy. They're fully out. But we know, so we take them out of the grass today. So the next video, all of the time must be clean and prim. Clean and prim like these ones that I started weeding out. So this is the cucumber. And as you can see, something eating the cucumber. Alright, Kedley. So we have to get some of the organic fertilizer because it's getting a lot of rain, so we have to spray it often, more often than usual. Now here we have some sweet corns and some turnips. Gonna put the sweet corns down by the bottom there. Oh, guys, I should show you my time, the last set of time that I planted. Look at them. Everybody catch off, See, I keep going down further and further with the time. Almost all of them, just one or few of them that catch. See that, guys? We have about 3 in this section that didn't catch, but you can see this one catching. It's getting water. So it's catching off. This one I catch too, you know, this one not dead. But almost all the time them catch that we planted the last section of time, we're gonna go down further and further with the time. All the way to the bottom. So let me show you what's going on with the melon. Can see the leaves? And most people have this issue with melon right now. Most of the melon them a come now, them not good because it's pure water. Too much water. But it does have quite a few melon on it. But since this time the other day, come over here, everything just look a waste star. It's like everything will burn up, you know? But there's quite a few young melons coming up. I just don't know how good they're going to be when they come. If them even good because of the rain. As you can see, there's enough young melon here. And I spray it, you know. But me just use organic fertilizer. So there's a lot of melon on the farm. But I just don't know how good they're going to perform. As I said, due to the amount of rainfall and the storm the other day. You can see lots of baby melons. Lots of baby melons. See? Melon everywhere. You're seeing the melon, but you're not seeing no leaf. You understand? Like, I don't know what happened to the melon leaves. Because there's a lot of melon in here. See? Everywhere you go. The more we go further down is the more melon you're seeing, but you're not seeing any melon leaves. This section kinda empty, but as you go down further you see lots of young melon. Whole heap of young melon. Bigger ones over here. Lots of young ones over there. You know? Lots of young melons. Even as far as down here, down to the end. As you can see, we're at the end of the farm basically. Now we have melon. Pray that some of them come good and I can sell a few out of it. But this is where I planted the pumpkins. These are pumpkins. So you can see the pumpkin them start to run off now. They're getting a lot of air, so they started to run off. So around the edges of the farm and some of this section here is where I'm going to be planting some of the turnips. Just a few turnip and some corn, some sweet corns. So guys, we've come to the end of another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe to my vlog channel. Thank you for watching Shan Unique Vlogs JA. Like this tree must go. Is it dry?